One day, Luna found a little bird sitting on the ground with a broken wing. "I'll never fly again," the bird said sadly. Luna sat beside the bird and said, "Sometimes it takes time to heal, but you can still do wonderful things while you wait." Luna helped the bird gather twigs to build a small nest. Together, they made the bird a cozy home. Days later, the bird's wing healed. It flew high into the sky and chirped joyfully, "Thank you, Luna. You gave me hope when I felt lost." Luna wagged her tail. "Never lose hope. You're stronger than you think." Moral: even when things seem hard, patience and hope can make everything better. And from that day on, Luna and the little bird became the best of friends, sharing many adventures together. They explored the beautiful world, reminding each other that hope and friendship make everything possible. Every evening, they would sit together, dreaming big dreams and sharing their hopes for tomorrow.